Welcome to this new and exciting videos where we are going to learn regarding labeling and formatting of our visuals. So first let's create one chart similar as the previous. So what we'll do, we will divide the data into region, then each and every region to representative and total sales for each and every representative. Then what we have done in our previous video that for each and every region there should be different colors. So we got this kind of chart. Okay. Now, why labeling and formatting is needed? Can anybody answer? Let's find out the answers. See, right now, if you look at this particular visual, okay. So, if I ask you directly, what is the total sales of Alex? Okay, so you will say that the total sales of Alex is in between 2,500 to 3,000. But if I want to predict the exact numbers, can you tell me the exact number? No. First thing, you can tell the exact number by hovering your mouse cursor on this particular bar. So now it will tell that the region is central, representative as Alex, and total sales is 2,812. Correct? But for this, you have to make an extra effort. Yeah, right? You cannot tell the number directly. So, for solving this particular issue, for sorting this particular problem, we will use labeling. And see, whenever we create an visual, okay, the look and feel of a particular visual depends on perspective of an individual to individual. Okay, let's say I like this particular visual, but there will be some other this visual. So for that, we have to follow standard formatting thing. Okay, so create your own SOP of the formatting that I'll use this particular text, this particular size. I'll give this particular text as bold and all. Okay, first decide the particular SOP of your formatting and do and use that particular SOP for each and every project. Okay, so now let's think about how to solve this problem. Okay, so first we will learn how to do labeling. So for that, first we will arrange this particular data either ascending and descending order by clicking this particular option. The first thing. Now we want to create label for total sales, right? To get total sales here. Okay, so that we don't, there is no need to hover the mouse on bar to find out the sales of each and every representative. What I'll do, I'll just drag total sales to label. Now see, for each and every bar we have sales value. So if any person is looking on the graph, he can directly tell the values of total sales from this. Okay. Now let's say you want to write something before this particular number. So how to do that? Just click on this label, right click, okay, and here text is there now. Just click on this dot 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 button, and if you write down sales here, it will appear like this. Okay, it will appear like this. But if you observe carefully for this particular, we are not getting this text. So first resolving this particular issue, just right click on it, mark label, and click on always show. So this issue will get sorted. Why this issue was happening? So see, this particular text and this particular text was like overlapping now. So that's why system decided not to show this particular text. Okay, but what we will do, just remove this sales and just keep the number. We could keep it as bold. Apply. Okay. Now, what other thing we can do? Let's see. Okay. So, first we will format this one. Oh, so what I'll do, we have to format right total sales. So just click on this one and click on format. So here you will get default option. From here, you can select You can make this particular numbers as bold. You can change the size of this number. Okay. You can change the text color of this one. We'll keep it as black because it looks good actually. And the next thing, you can change the alignment of the text. For central alignment, you can use this one. Okay. For right and left alignment, you can use these two buttons. You can decide the direction of the text at your own. So this is normal. This one is up like this. This one is down like this. So this looks also good and this looks also good. Okay. Now vertical alignment also decides. For bottom, you can select this one. From middle, you can select this one. And for top, you can select this one. Okay. And if the text is long, so you can decide whether you have to drag the text from, okay, from here. Then this particular is showing total sales, right? So we need the currency there. So I select currency standard. Now see, for each and every series value, we have currency symbol there. Then the next thing is, okay, you can select for a fix and suffix. So this is in dollar. So what I will do, I will just keep the dollar symbol. Okay. Now, if you want to show only one digit after decimal, so you can use this one. Okay. Negative values like this. And if you want to display the unit, like if you want to divide each and every value with 1,000, so you can select this. So this looks good. Okay. Now, if you want to show totals anywhere, so you can like format the values of total from here, the grand total from here, and like this, and for special values, we have this. So this was first thing. Now, for look and feel, we need to format the graph as well. Okay, so what I will do, I will just click or right click on this one and click on format. Okay, so from here you can decide the text, you can make it bold, you can select the size and number, you can select like this one only. Just go on access. So if you want any shading, you can select this one. You can make it as bold and you can change the font. I'll keep this one only. Now, for these, if you want to have shading like this, you can do. I'll make it bold and I'll make it 12. And similarly for here also, make it bold. So now, look and feel, you have to just explore the different things which are available. Okay, and you can do. Now the next thing which we can do from here is, okay, if you click on edit axis, you will get this particular window. So if you want this particular scale to be logarithmic, you can do like this. Okay. If you want that graph should start from upward to downward, you can just reverse the graph like this. So I don't want both the things. Now the next thing is you can like delete the title here, or you can add the title by your. The next thing is, okay, for tick mark. So these are the major tick mark. If you want to show it by automatic, you can select automatic. If you want to show at a fixed intervals, you can select the intervals here. Let's say I want to show major tick mark at the interval of 500. So like this, I can show. Okay. And you can decide whether which one is the origin. You want to start it from 0 or you want to start it from 500. So I'll start it with 5 like this. Okay. Now you have to decide whether you want to show minor tick marks or not. Minor tick marks means, see, these are the major one. So in between that, you can have major or minor one. Okay. Either at the interval of 100 or 150, 200. So let's say intervals of 50. So see, now the minor tick marks are increased at the intervals of 50. Okay. One more thing which we can do. Okay, whether you want to include zero or not, you can select from this. Mhm. This done. So other things are sorted. Okay, so you can just explore by your own and you can create your own visuals. Just decide on standard SOP for formatting and use the same formatting whenever you're creating the dashboard so that each and every graph will be related to each other, okay, with the formatting same. So thank you for joining with me in this video. In the next video, we are going to learn how to export this.